In today's retail climate, efficiency and dependability are crucial. To address these requirements, Shopify POS provides seamless hardware integration, providing interoperability with a wide selection of point-of-sale gear. From receipt printers and barcode scanners to cash drawers and card readers, Shopify POS supports a wide range of hardware devices, easing operations and improving the customer experience. In this video, we will discuss the relevance and benefits of Shopify POS hardware integration, emphasizing how it enables merchants to streamline their point-of-sale procedures, enhance accuracy, and create a coherent and efficient retail environment. Streamlining point-of-sale procedures, Shopify POS hardware integration improves and streamlines point-of-sale processes for retailers. Retailers may seamlessly connect their preferred devices to the Shopify POS system by providing compatibility with a wide selection of POS hardware devices. For example, barcode scanners can be incorporated, allowing for quick and precise product scanning during checkout. This eliminates manual data entry and decreases the chance of human error, assuring efficient and accurate transaction processing. Receipt printers may also be seamlessly linked into Shopify POS, allowing shops to generate professional-looking receipts for consumers in real time. This integration saves time and improves the overall client experience by delivering immediate transaction documentation. Improved accuracy and efficiency. The integration of POS hardware devices into Shopify POS improves accuracy and operational efficiency. Connecting connected devices allows shops to speed up transactions and remove manual tasks. Cash drawers may be linked with Shopify POS, ensuring that cash transactions are securely controlled and documented. This integration eliminates the need for human cash handling and lowers the risk of errors during cash management. Card readers can also be effortlessly connected, allowing merchants to accept a variety of payment methods securely and efficiently. By connecting compatible card readers, shops may effortlessly accept credit and debit card payments, enhancing transaction speed and delivering a hassle-free payment experience for customers. Furthermore, Shopify POS hardware integration improves inventory management procedures. Retailers may correctly and efficiently update inventory levels, manage product movements, and avoid errors associated with human data entry by incorporating barcode scanners. Versatile hardware options. Shopify POS hardware integration provides retailers with a variety of options, assuring interoperability with a wide range of hardware devices. Retailers can select the hardware that best meets their business demands and budget, ranging from industry-leading names to low-cost solutions. Retailers can choose from a choice of receipt printers, barcode scanners, cash drawers, and card readers that work flawlessly with Shopify POS. This adaptability enables merchants to modify their hardware setup to suit individual needs, whether they run a small boutique or a large-scale retail business. Integration and scalability. Shopify POS hardware integration efficiently interacts with a variety of hardware devices, assuring compatibility and ease of use. Whether shops use hardware devices from Shopify's recommended list or third-party options, Shopify POS offers complete integration features. Furthermore, Shopify POS hardware connection is scalable, enabling enterprises of all sizes. Retailers can start with a basic hardware setup and scale up as their business expands, simply incorporating more devices as needed. Shopify POS hardware connection enables businesses to streamline their point-of-sale procedures, improve accuracy, and maximize operational efficiency. Shopify POS enables shops to build a cohesive and efficient retail environment by providing compatibility with a wide range of POS hardware devices such as receipt printers, barcode scanners, cash drawers, and card readers. Shopify POS hardware integration, with its seamless connection and scalability, provides merchants with the flexibility and dependability they require to drive customer pleasure, manage operations, and achieve retail success in today's competitive industry.